Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another Declutter De-Stash video. Yes, thank you so much for your support and your encouragement. I really do appreciate it. What you see here is a whole crap ton of glue. Yep, because the next thing that we are working on is, let me get this here, is adhesives, okay? Oh my gosh. And somewhere lurking in this room of mine, I literally have a box of glue that my daughter's boyfriend gave me, and I cannot put my eye on it right at this moment. I don't know what I did with it. It's here somewhere. Okay, my room looks like just trashed. Okay, just trashed. Okay, so let's get started. Now, what I'm using is this is a Sterilite drawer. Okay, let me just briefly explain. If you're new here, welcome. I am moving house in the summer. And while my husband and I keep our stuff pretty well pared down, you know, we don't, I mean, in the grand scheme of things, or relatively speaking, we don't have a lot of stuff, okay? We just don't. Neither one of us like stuff. And quite frankly, I hate dusting. The more stuff you have, the more you gotta dust. So that tells you like how much stuff we have in our house. Not much, okay? We're not quite minimalistic. I wouldn't say minimalistic, but like, yeah, we don't like a lot of stuff. So anyhow, so we're moving. Now, my craft room is a different story because I've been collecting things for close to 30 years, if not 30 years. So I do have a lot of stuff collected over time, you know. Art, you know, just it runs the gamut. I mean, hello, look at this drawer, right? Why is it even like this? That's my question. That's my question, Elizabeth. Why is it even like this? You've got random things in here for no reason, you know, none whatsoever. Okay, so let's, oh wait, did I even finish my thought? Okay, so we're moving house. My room is going to be half the size, all right? So I have to get rid of a lot of my stuff. And what I've determined is that there are 5 things I want to work on, all right, in the near future, okay? One of them is my creative daily journal, which I love to work on. There are many materials that go into that book. So yeah, I need to have, you know, well, I don't need to have anything. What I would like to have are my stickers, my pens, my, you know, little collage elements, my inks, my background, like, you know, watercolors, things like that, okay? I would like to begin to make journals again, which I haven't done in a very long time, so I'd like to make journals. And I am curating items along the way as I pack. I am decluttering, getting rid of a lot of stuff, and curating those things that I know I will use in a journal, okay? All the other stuff is fluff, and all that fluff is going out of my house, okay? So, yeah, I've gotten rid of a lot of stuff. Oh, wait, one thing, oh, I didn't bring it over, but one of the ideas that I had, let me just get it real fast, is, if there is one, okay, like, you know, my daughter and I work at a school, and lovingly, the parents are just so generous, right? And so at holidays, Christmas time, whatever, we do get a lot of gifts and we get a lot of gift bags. I don't need this many gift bags. Could I save them and turn them into journals? Why, yes, I could, but am I? No, I'm not. So what I'm doing is I'm filling up these bags with the stuff that I'm getting rid of. And then that way I kind of kill 2 birds with 1 stone, right? Like I'm giving away a nice, you know, decorative bag, okay? So let's just get started. Now, oh, here's the other thing. I have series of Sterilite drawers. Some of them are 8.5 by 11. I have many of those. And then I have 1, 2, 12. Okay, I have 4 sets of 3 12 by 12 drawers, okay? And this one for some reason just has random stuff in it. So I'm going to clean this out, and then I'm going to put my adhesives in here to store. Now, right in front of me, I do have an adhesive drawer, okay? But that is for the stuff that I need at arm's reach. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, let's get started. These are beautiful baking cups, okay? They will go into the kitchen perhaps in case my daughter ever wants to make, you know, those, all right? Look at these beautiful paper clips. So pretty. These were given to me. I'm going to put this in, I am going to have an embellishment drawer, so that just needs to be put in an embellishment drawer. This is beautiful paper. This goes in my scrap drawer. I remember getting this. I received it in Happy Mail. So that goes in my scrap box. These are super adorable bags, and I have made journals out of these paper bags, and I love them. They don't go in here though. Sorry if it's super duper glary, okay? But I actually do have a drawer for bags, believe it or not, okay? So these need to go in that drawer. They don't belong in here. I think I just got lazy, you know. This was from Happy Meal. All these things, because they're vintage items. This was for my sweet friend, Brooke. This goes in my Christmas stuff. I must have just, yeah, Recreations by Brooke, my sweet Brookie Boo. So all these go in that like file. Like, why are they even in here? I have no idea. So none of this goes in here. Oh, this is beautiful dyed paper. That goes where? With the dyed paper, Elizabeth. Pretty wallpaper and Edith Holden. Yeah, this was like a whole set of this beautiful, beautiful item. So these, I need to find an envelope for this and keep this all together to put with my vintage items. In fact, I see a place I can put it right now, but not right now. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's scooch some of this stuff over. All right. These are the Tombow, you know, whatever they're called. I don't know. What are they called? Tape runner things, you know? I do enjoy them, although on a composition, sorry for the noise, on composition notebook paper, they don't work so well. On copy paper, they don't work so well because after a few years, even if it says like they are, you know, what is it called? They're acid free and whatnot. No, guess what? Nope. Because I have books that I've used them on. Okay. Here, I'm going to see how I can put these in here so that they fit, okay? These are glue sticks, believe it or not, from last year's Christmas that my daughter's boyfriend gave me. Oh my goodness, yeah, he keeps me stocked in glue, so he can stay for now. So there's that, okay, and then there's that. So this will go in there perfectly well. Here are some Amazon basics. They can go right there, perfect, okay? This, my daughter gave me, she must have gotten it, oh, it's gross and dusty. She must have gotten it as a gift at school or something, so I'm gonna ask her if she wants it. If she does not, guess what? It's going in the bag to be given away. Okay, so I will ask her about that. Here is a Xyron, I don't need this. I don't need this part. A Xyron refill that is for this little Xyron. I love this sticker maker thing. That's a beautiful sticker from a friend in Happy Mail. So I just have it stuck on there because I need to use it on my page. Sorry for the reach. Okay, now we're going to get into this box. See, this is how I used to store all my stuff, right? And I had made these little, like, you know, labels and all of that because I'm organized like that, you know? But in the new house, there is no closet in my room. Oh, that's not going to come off. Okay. There's no closet in my room, which is a shame, let me tell you, a shame. So, I really need, I don't have any place to store these, you know, like I don't want to stack these. I'd rather have everything in a drawer system where I can label it. I know where everything is. So that's what we're going to do. Okay. Here are more Amazon basics. I don't know if all this stuff is going to fit in here. This is clear tape. This should go to school. This can go to school. Here's some more glue sticks. Good grief. Oh, wait. Why does this say used? Oh, that was back in the day when I was filling up the used one. Okay. And look, Oh, this I received in Happy Mail because I was having such a hard time gluing something down. I can't even remember, but yeah, somebody had sent me this, so thank you so much. Yep, one of those is going to go to school. One will stay in here, though. Okay, what is this? Oh, this goes to school. Oh, no, it doesn't. It's hard as a rock. Okay, bye. All right, score tape. Love this stuff. This is obviously staying in here. And then look at all these glue sticks. Oh, my word. Oh, my word. Yep, they are still going strong. So all these go in here. Good grief. Look at, I have, oh my gosh, you know, I'm wondering because I could swear to you, I have a whole other box of glue. Oh my gosh. Oh dear. Where did I put it? I could have sworn I had it. Excuse me. What could I have done with it? I have no idea. Anyway, all right, no big deal. What I might end up doing is taking some of this to school with me. Actually taking some of this to school with me because, yeah, there's no reason to have, like, no person in their right mind should have this much glue. It's just insane. These are Velcro things. I'm going to take that to school for my daughter as well. These are dot glue runner. See, I think these are the ones that are wonky, bad, whatever, because I think these I got at Walmart, and see, it doesn't say on here. Now, the package might have said, but these don't say on here that they're acid free, so I'm not going to take my chance. Here's some more. That goes to school. Okay. All of these, I think, I'm going to take to school. Yeah, all of these I'm gonna take to school, and they can use them at school, I'm sure. So there you have it. Now I have this whole box, and then if I ever do find that box, I swear, it's in here somewhere, guys. It's in here somewhere. How could you misplace an entire box of 60 glue sticks? I mean, you know what I could have done though? Could I have emptied it out into this? I don't know. Anyway, so there, now I have just one, count it, one adhesive drawer, and that's it. And then, like, when I'm using this drawer up here, right, let's say I need to refill my ATG gun, it's in here. If I need more glue sticks, which it appears as though I do need more glue sticks, I can, you know, put them in here. When I run out of my score tape, I just go to this drawer and, you know, refill, right, as needed. Okay. So, oh, you know what else? While I'm looking at it, I need to take this to school as well because my daughter's thing is not doing so good. Oh, this goes with my vintage stuff, as does this that I'm going to put in an envelope. Okay, so back to the adhesives. So this is all the adhesives I have, pretty sure. Yeah. And they're all just gonna stay in here. And like I said, once the drawer is filled, okay, like it's enough, Elizabeth. So I'm gonna take these to school, and this now has become my extra adhesive drawer. So yeah, that was pretty simple. Pretty simple. So what did we do there? Good grief. Didn't we do more? Was that all I did? Oh, I went through, oh yeah, okay. So I cleaned out the drawer first, then put whatever I could put from here into here. I have glue, enough glue to last me for a good long while now. Yeah, so that's all good. Now I'm gonna go get myself another box or another drawer or something and go through that with y'all. So I hope you continue to enjoy this decluttering series. Yes. It's something that has to be done. I have to be ruthless. I cannot keep everything. So, yeah, I'm taking a bunch of stuff to various places so that it can be used. So yeah, thank you so much for your time and sharing it with me, and consider subscribing if you haven't, and make sure you check the links below Always. There are always links below to someone I've mentioned, or the playlist you can find other videos on, you know. So go ahead and check that out too if you'd like. And I will talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.